Hey, what's up guys? This is Eric from Sonic once again. Today we have a very special guest, Sean from Car Audio Zone. They're a very reputable shop all the way in Houston, Texas. He made a long way to come just to visit us. Very nice of him. And today he's here to check out our products, learn about it a little bit more, get a little bit of product training, and just show you all the excitement. And just to let you guys know that our products are just not available here in SoCal. It's also available in other places like Houston, Texas specifically. And Sean does a very amazing job installing our products, provides really good customer service. So if you are in that area, make sure to reach out to him and inquire about our product. At the same time, let me just show you some of the product stuff that we went over today and all the products that's offered by Sonic that you guys can get your hands on. And Sean will also have chance to talk about his store and his business and stuff that he offers and so forth.
Hi guys, this is Sean from Car Audio Zone, all the way from Houston, Texas, visiting our great friends, and we've been using their products for many years in Houston, Texas with great results. They're out with some new exciting products that we'd love to work with, we're working with, and we'll keep working with and introducing to the Houston population and make it available for you guys. We'll tour some of these or see some of these products and let you know what we feel about them. And so far, it's been great with old products, and it'll be great with new products also. We just wanted to come and personally visit and see these products in person.
Walk around our cars here and go through some product demonstration and learn about Sean's business.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, Sean, we're in the car. We're in our Lexus GX here. We have a few of our Sonic products installed on here. First of them is the plug and play S-Connect CarPlay Android Auto wireless retrofit. We also have our ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller. We also have our front camera adapter here where we show the front camera, and you could even show the rear camera while the vehicle is driving. So I want to go over those products with you just to show you how everything works. You already know about these products. I know you love them already, but just go over it one more time just for the sake of the video.
Yeah, you know, they're great products. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Turn on the car here.
In fact, this camera, front and back camera, is something that is new to us, and I'm sure people in Houston will love it.
Oh yeah, especially for trucks. It shows you exactly what's right in front of the car, makes it easier to park. And as you can see here, we have this new features where once your phone connects to the CarPlay device wirelessly or wired, the screen will switch automatically to the CarPlay screen. Makes it very convenient for users so that when they turn on the car, they don't have to always push the button. So it works more like factory. So very cool. As you can see here, very fast, very snappy. The swipe action mode works as well.
Yeah, it's faster. It's faster than most products that I've seen or installed.
And what's cool about this is, as you know, it retains all the factory controls. So we got our track up and down continue to work. We also have our steering wheel control, track up and down. We also have our volume controls, and our backup camera continues to work. And you go out of the backup camera and you're back to the CarPlay screen. Which is pretty cool. And if you want to go back to the native Lexus screen, very easy. You just push any of the buttons on the side, take you back. And if you want to go back to the CarPlay screen, once again, nav. So very easy, very intuitive, very cool. And on top of that, we also have throttle response controller here.
There.
But every time you push the button, it'll cycle through different modes. It's a fun device. It's super easy to install, and it also has a really cool app that you can use. So let me show you how the app works. So if you push the button here, it'll jump around different modes. You can also drag with your finger and change modes even while you're driving. So say that you're driving, you're going up a hill, you're like, hey, I need a little bit more throttle response, let's bring it up. And it'll just make the car feel much lighter, easier to drive. And and then you're gonna go valet your car, you can put it in the valet mode so that now your valet driver can't floor your car.
They can't just go wild.
It can't just go wild. Exactly. You can also lock it. Say that you're parked somewhere, you want to have an extra layer of security. You lock your throttle. Say that a thief goes in your car, turns on the engine. But now look, they can't drive off with it.
Oh, that's great. You know, we're experts in alarm installations. We do it from various companies and individuals, and this could be an added feature.
Oh yeah, just give you that additional layer. Yeah, make it more difficult for thieves to take the car.
I like that feature.
Yeah, so many features packed in this small device here.
Amazing.
Very cool. Very popular product. And also available at Car Audio Zone.
Yeah, it is. We'll keep it. Just let us know.
Yeah.
Protect your car.
Yes. And another product we have here, we have the front camera. And so we have a camera button here.
Oh, I see there.
It goes inside the factory blank switch. So you press it, goes to the front camera. We have it installed in the front grille. It looks factory. It's black color, goes right between the grille. You press again, it'll show the backup camera. Oh, totally. And you press it third time, it'll go back to whatever screen you were at.
Oh, that's nice. Easy to use.
Yeah, very easy to use. And it works while the vehicle is driving too. Doesn't matter. You could be in the freeway. Say that your cargo space is all full. Then you could turn on your backup camera just so you could see the rear view even when everything is full.
We can just do it for the heck of it, you know?
Yeah, just having more functions on the car. Why not?
Yeah, why not? Yeah. See who's following me.
Yeah, so these are the products we have for the GX. We also actually have a phone mirroring device. So if you want to stream videos, YouTube videos, Netflix, we also have that too. It's not installed on this car, but just another thing that available for the customers if they if they're like stuff like that.
I read up on that, and it's pretty exciting. I mean, a lot of people are looking for that as well, and it's exciting. And talked about it a lot, and in demand product. People want it, you know, and
Definitely.
You have it.
Yes,
and we'll have it there too. In Houston, Texas.
Yeah, Houston, Texas. Yeah. All right, cool. Now let's jump into the other car, shall we?
Let's go.
All right, Sean, now we are in a new car here, the Toyota 4Runner, and some of the exciting products we have on here that you can also, that's also offered at your shop, is a plug-and-play Encore Power Amplifier. This one's not the DSP one. This one is just a normal amplifier, and basically it's very small. We fit it over here. You can even fit it behind the radio. There's a lot of space behind here, so if you don't want to take space in the glove compartment, you can also put it inside as well. And we have a really cool device here, a switcher where it switches to show you the difference on the audio quality. And we have this just as a demo car. So I want to just I know that you know how great this product is and how much difference it makes, but just want to show it to you again. So let's do that right now.
So the people that are watching this video can also kind of feel the difference. I know it might not be as good on your audio, and you may not be able to tell, but if you put it on a good speaker system, then you'll be able to see the difference in the sound.
Exactly.
I just noticed it, but we're going to do this over here again for you guys and check it out. But if you have a good audio system, you'll really appreciate the difference. But even if you don't, you'll still notice a difference. But believe you me, it's quite a bit of difference.
Oh yeah. All right, so I'm going to select some music files that's royalty free, just so we don't get flagged on the social media. So this is when it's off, all right?
So right now,
it's off.
The app is off.
And then that's on.
Instantly it bumped up the sound. Quite a bit. It looks like it's like a conventional 4-channel amplifier.
And very clean. It cleans up the sound a lot. You could hear all the instruments a bit more. And it just sounds like a very high quality audio system. And isn't it pretty impressive that we're only using the factory speakers on this?
I didn't have to upgrade, spend money on the speakers, more cleaner install, less wires, and it sounds better, sounds cleaner, sounds louder. And even if you want to add a subwoofer to it, I'm sure we can do that as well. Even the factory speakers are now giving off some bass that usually is unthinkable, you know. But it's been tuned good, it sounds good, and there's appreciable difference in between the sound after we listen to it and when the amplifier is kicked in.
Absolutely.
Nice, that's good.
Very cool. And if you want to demo it, you can also visit AudioZone.
We'll be getting this into one of our cars very soon, and we'll be able to demo it for you just like this. Even if not, then you look at this video or other videos they have over here, great ones.
Oh yeah.
Just put it on a good audio system, good speakers, you will notice the difference.
Yeah.
Right now too, in your regular speaker systems you will, but man, a good audio system will really tell you what a difference this makes.
Yes.
Yeah, nice, man. That's good.
And this car too, we also have the front camera on this. So you press it once, shows the front camera, press it again, shows the rear.
Right.
You could do this while the car's driving. And once again, you know, it's good to have more views in the car as well.
Well, you have it all. Apple CarPlay modules, mirroring modules for videos and stuff like that.
We definitely
camera
do.
inputs, throttle response products, and now your amplifier, which is great. A lot of people want that. They don't want to go and change or their speakers, add an amplifier to it, especially when their speakers are in good shape.
Oh yeah.
Very nice. Saves money and gives most people what they want.
Yes. Yep. Exactly.
Lovely.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we went ahead and showed our products to Sean. Pretty excited about it. Some of the features on our products, what it provides, and just want to get a little bit of feedback and input what you think about them.
Well, they were great. I mean, better than I expected. That Apple CarPlay interface is so seamless. It's so fast and impressive, and it basically mimics what would be in an OEM Apple CarPlay system from Toyota or Lexus or any other manufacturer. So no, it was very impressive. The throttle control, that's awesome. And you know, I was really impressed with that feature where you can lock it up and safeguard your vehicle. Not a lot of people will know how to pull it off and start the car, so that's an added layer of protection. The star of everything that, in my opinion, what people want and need and is a good offering are your amplifiers. There was a great improvement of sound when we listened to that amplifier, and it was all OEM. Speakers did not have to be changed, provided they're in good shape, and the bass response was much better. The depth of sound was there, the clarity was there. I mean, just using factory speakers and just adding an amplifier in, you know, doing it for 25 years, I mean, I was really impressed. We've been doing it for a long time, and at the back of our minds, we were thinking that this kind of thing would be good, and Beach Sonic came out with it, looked at it, loved it, and we're going to be offering it. And, you know, we also checked another awesome product, the backup camera, front camera interface, where you can toggle in between both of them. A real nice looking fisheye camera for the front. I mean, very useful while parking or driving, especially if you have your back area filled up with stuff and you can't see through the rear view mirror. Well, that camera is going to be available to you on the go, on the fly while you're driving, which is awesome. And then a toggle switch to flick in between the front and the back camera. It was awesome. I don't think we're missing anything. We've got everything. There were a lot of other small things that we've seen, but the video would be probably an hour long, so we'll just save your time over there. You can check it up on those products up on Beach Sonic's website. Well, everything's going to be available in Houston, Texas, either there or on order. Just give us a call. Thank you.
Yes, perfect. Thank you so much for giving us some feedback about your experience today. And like what Sean said today, these are just small portion of what we offer. We offer a lot of stereo replacement kits, as you know, like some vehicles that no one has a solution for, like the Lexus cars, like the SC430, the IS, and so forth. Yeah, it's been a pleasure for you to come and visit us. Thank you so much again, Sean. I really appreciate it.
Pleasure was entirely mine, and I really gained a lot of knowledge.
Awesome.
And yeah, as far as those kits, those are awesome, guys. I've been doing it for over 20 years. Beach Sonic's awesome. Those kits and unique products that no one else has, and they're solutions for people that need them. You can find them over here. I highly encourage you, especially if you have Lexuses or Japanese cars, to check the website out. You'll find things that you were looking for and you didn't think existed.
Awesome, terrific.
Thank you.
And once again, guys, if you guys are in the Houston, Texas area, or you guys don't mind driving there, I guarantee it'll be worth the drive to get your car done right by Sean at Car Audio Zone in Houston. Don't hesitate, reach them out. You have the phone number on this video and also an email address we could leave as well. Check them out once again. And any inquiries that you have about our products, you're in that area, reach out to Sean. He's the best guy there. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.